Hey guys, and another week of fiber gifts. This week, which is really interesting because we haven't had this one. We've had several different kinds, but not this one. So we are doing the round medium basket. And I have to say, this one is quite beautiful. Let me talk about these for a minute. They're hand woven in Ghana. And the handles particularly are actually put together and then wrapped. Okay, so these will be contained like this. This basket has not been soaked yet, which is what is recommended. And then you actually can work out all the kinks from being flattened to be shipped over here. Okay, these are really nice, nicely done. The basket, the sale we're having is going to be 20% off the retail price. And I have to say, even though this is a beautiful basket, we cannot accommodate color requests. So it's always a surprise for us when we get them in the boxes. And so it will be a surprise for you when you get them. But that's about it on the color request. But even though this one is a really nice one, I might need to take this one, but I won't. Somebody might get it. So anyway, beautiful basket, about 14 inches across, maybe 7 to 10 high, but really nice. It'd be nice for a market basket or just putting magazines in it or something like that in your home. I hope you enjoy them.